Stop what you were doing. If you have ever financed a car in the United Kingdom between 2007 and 2024, you may be owed money right now. Not in 5 years, not after a court case, right now. The UK's Financial Conduct Authority, the most powerful financial regulator in the country, has confirmed a compensation scheme that will put £7.5 billion back into the pockets of British drivers. That is billion with a B. The average payout, £829 per person. Some people will receive more, some will receive less, but millions of people are owed money, and most of them do not even know it. There are deadlines on this claim. If you miss them, you could lose your right to collect money you are legally owed. In the next 12 minutes, I'm going to tell you exactly what happened, who is eligible, how much you could get, and the exact steps to claim your money before the deadline runs out. Stay until the end, because the deadline section could save you from missing the biggest financial payout most people in the UK will ever receive. Let us start from the beginning. For nearly 2 decades, from 2007 all the way to 2021, millions of British people financed their cars through dealerships across the country. PCP agreements, hire purchase, car loans. You went to the dealer, you chose your car, they arranged the finance, you signed the paperwork, you drove away. Simple, right? Wrong. What most customers did not know was that their car dealer was being secretly paid a commission by the finance lender based on the interest rate they gave you. Here is how it worked. The lender would give the dealer a range of interest rates they could offer you. The higher the interest rate the dealer put on your agreement, the more commission the dealer earned. This is called a discretionary commission arrangement. In plain English, your car dealer had a financial incentive to charge you more interest, and they did not have to tell you about it. You were sitting there thinking, this dealer is helping me get the best deal. They were actually thinking, how high can I push this interest rate before this customer walks away? The FCA confirmed that many motor finance lenders did not comply with the law or their rules. The FCA's chief executive, Nikhil Rathi, said directly, many motor finance lenders did not comply with the law or the rules. Now we have legal clarity. It's time their customers get fair compensation. The total compensation bill between $9 billion and $18 billion. This is being compared to the PPI scandal, the biggest financial product mis-selling case in UK history, which paid out over $38 billion to consumers. If you bought a car on finance in the UK between 2007 and 2024, there's a very real chance you were part of this scandal. Now, the most important question. Are you eligible? Here is the eligibility checklist. You may be owed compensation if 1. You used finance to buy a car, van, motorbike, or camper van in the United Kingdom between the 6th of April 2007 and the 1st of November 2024. 2. Your finance type was either a PCP, personal contract purchase, or hire purchase agreement. 3. Your dealer or lender did not clearly tell you about the commission arrangement on your finance deal. That is it. That is the basic eligibility test. Now here is something really important that most people miss. You could still be eligible, even if you have already fully paid off the loan. You no longer own the car was repossessed. You refinanced the agreement. You think too much time has passed. The scheme covers agreements going back to 2007. That is nearly 20 years of car finance deals. According to the FCA, around 12.1 million finance agreements could be eligible for compensation. 12.1 million. If you bought a car in the UK on finance in the last 17 years, the statistics alone suggest there is a very strong chance you are on that list. Let us talk about the money, because this is the part people really want to know. The FCA estimates the average payout at around £829 per agreement. That is approximately $1,050. But, and this is crucial, that is an average. Your actual payout depends on several factors. Factor 1, the size of your original loan. Larger loans generally mean a higher commission was paid, which means more compensation. Factor 2, the interest rate on your agreement. If your dealer pushed your interest rate higher to earn more commission, the difference between what you paid and what you should have paid is what you're owed, plus interest on top. Factor 3, how many agreements you had. If you financed multiple cars between 2007 and 2024, you could have a claim on each agreement. So, if you financed 5 cars over 17 years, you could potentially claim on 5 separate agreements. At £829 per agreement on average, that is over £4,000. Factor 4, the interest added to your compensation. The FCA confirmed that compensation will include interest at a minimum of 3% per year from when you were overcharged to when you were paid. On a 2008 claim, that is nearly 18 years of interest added. That could significantly increase what you're owed beyond the base compensation amount. Now for the realistic, honest truth. The FCA stated that some people will receive nothing even if commission was involved. Many will receive a few £100s for older or smaller agreements. Only a small number of cases will receive full commission back. But here's the key message. You cannot know what you're owed until you actually check. And checking costs you nothing. This is the most important section of this video. Follow these steps exactly. Step 1. Find your old finance agreements. Go through your emails, your documents, your old bank statements. Find any car finance agreements you had between 2007 and 2024. Write down the lender name, the agreement date, and the vehicle financed. If you cannot find the paperwork, do not panic. Your lender is legally required to have records. You can request them. Step 2. Check your eligibility for free. Do not use a claims management company at this stage. The FCA has been very clear, you do not need to pay anyone to make this claim. It is free to do yourself. Go directly to the FCA website, fca.org.uk/consumers/car finance complaints. This is the official government source. Everything you need is there. Step 3. Contact your lender directly. Once you know which agreements you had, contact the lender, not the dealer, directly in writing. Common lenders involved include Black Horse, Lloyd's Banking Group, Close Brothers, Moto Novo Finance, First Rand, Moto Novo's parent, and Santander Consumer Finance, and many others. Your complaint letter should state your name and address, your agreement reference number if you have it, the vehicle you financed and approximate date, a statement that you were not informed about any commission arrangement on your agreement, a request for confirmation of whether commission was paid and how your interest rate was set. Keep a copy of everything you send. Send it by email and recorded post. Step 4. Wait for the scheme to open. If your loan was from April 2014 onwards, the scheme starts on the 30th of June 2026. If your loan was before April 2014, the scheme starts on the 31st of August 2026. Lenders will assess your case and respond within 3 months. Step 5. Accept or challenge your offer. When you receive an offer, review how the calculation was calculated. You have the right to challenge it if you believe the calculation is wrong. You can escalate to the Financial Ombudsman Service if you disagree with the lender's decision. Pay close attention to this section. These dates are critical. Deadline 1. If your agreement was from April 2014 onwards, you should complain before the 30th of June 2026 to be prioritized in the scheme. Scheme starts 30th June 2026. Deadline 2. If your agreement was before April 2014, you should complain before the 31st of August 2026. Scheme starts 31st August 2026. Deadline 3. If you do not complain yourself, lenders will contact you by the 28th of February 2027. You will then have 6 months to reply. If you miss that reply window, you could lose your right to claim. Deadline 4. The absolute final deadline for all claims is the 31st of August 2027. After that date, if you have not complained and the lender has not contacted you, you may permanently lose your right to compensation. The single most important thing you can do right now is complain to your lender today. Complaining early gets you prioritized. Complaining before the scheme opens means you could receive your payment faster. Do not wait for the lender to contact you. Be proactive. Contact them first. One final warning before we wrap up, and this could save you hundreds of pounds. Because of how much attention this scandal is getting, a wave of claims management companies have appeared overnight, promising to handle your claim for a fee of 20 to 40% of your compensation. Do not use them. The FCA has been crystal clear on this. You do not need to pay anyone to make this claim. The process is free. The FCA website is free. Contacting your lender is free. The Financial Ombudsman service is free. If you pay a claims company 30% of your £829, they take £249. You receive £580 instead of £829. For a process you could have done yourself in 20 minutes. Some warning signs of scam operations. They contact you unsolicited by phone or text. They ask for payment upfront before any claim is settled. They guarantee a specific payout amount. They ask for your bank details immediately. They pressure you to sign documents quickly. If anyone approaches you about this scandal using any of the above tactics, hang up, block the number, report it to Action Fraud. The legitimate path is always FCA website first, lender directly second, Financial Ombudsman if needed. Free, every step. Let us recap everything. The UK's Financial Conduct Authority has confirmed a £7.5 billion compensation scheme for missold car finance agreements between 2007 and 2024. Average payout? £829 per agreement. Total eligible agreements up to 12.1 million. Payments begin June to August 2026. Final deadline 31st August 2027. You are eligible if you financed a car, van, motorcycle, or campervan in the UK between 2007 and 2024 on PCP or hire purchase finance. To claim, go to fca.org.uk/consumers/car finance complaints. Contact your lender directly in writing. Do not pay a claims company. Do it today, not next week, today. The earlier you complain, the faster you get paid. Drop a comment below right now and tell me, did you have car finance in the UK between 2007 and 2024? Are you going to make a claim? We want to know how many of you this video has helped today. If this video just put money in your pocket, hit the like button. Share this with every friend and family member who has bought a car on finance in the UK. They may be owed money and have no idea. Subscribe to Forever Cars for honest financial and car buying advice every single week. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.